Alijaza mali yenima.
So I think I'll use this opportunity to apologize because our Ghana is supposed to be the first person to be awarded this very day, but because when we started it was not here present, that was why we started with other people. So on behalf of BYM, we want to apologize for not recognizing Dara as the first awardee of the day. It was just because he was not present at that time. That was why we skipped this. Thank you.
On behalf of BYM, we present this award to target to Ambassador Gwom Rwei Jos South as the Grand Patron of BYM Gyel District in recognition of your dedication and exceptional contribution in leadership and community service towards the growth and development of the district on this day, 6 April 2025. In the name of God the Father, and God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit.